Hello guys and welcome to a new video today from Hackathons. In this video, we will see how to get list of Python modules. In simple words, a Python module contains functions and statements. These modules can help us to keep the relative code collectively in some place. Also, we can make use of these modules in our code and help us write great code. First thing, we will see how to create a simple Python module, and then we will see how to get the names of modules present inside our local machine. So what I have done is I have created a directory or a folder called as code inside my desktop, and in that I am working and creating my Python files. So I've got this file named as mymodule.py, and I've created a simple function saying that welcome message, and that function takes a name as argument, and it simply returns a string saying that welcome name. Now we will make use of this code inside another code using the Python modules. For that you need to save the file inside the current directory, and then you need to go and create another Python file and save it in the same directory. And now we need to say import my module, and the reason I'm saying import my module, since the file name that we have given to the module that we created is also called as mymodule.py. And now I'll simply create an answer variable and I'll equate it to the my module, and the name of the function is called as welcome message. As you can see over here, the name of the function is welcome message. So that's what I've written down, and in the arguments I'll simply give a name called as hackathons. And if I just print the output answer and run the program, as you can see in the output window it says welcome hackathons. So that is how we made use of a module inside a Python program. An important point to note is when you're working with user defined modules, that module will only work when we are working in that current directory. Now, to check the name of the modules present inside your Python local machine, you simply need to type in print help, and inside the parenthesis of help function you simply need to say modules. And if you run this function, you will get an output of all the modules present, and you could use them inside your Python file. However, this function is not working on my local machine for some reason, and I do not know why, so I'm not running it. But there is another method to check the modules that we are working with, and for that you need to go in your command prompt. You simply need to type in pip list and press enter. And let me just maximize the screen, and as you can see, the set of all the packages along with its version that I have installed is visible. So there are many Python packages that I use in my programs, such as AutoPy2exe, Bottle, BS4, Beautiful Soup, Flask, Restful, Future, Matplotlib, PyAutoGUI, and many more like them. So you can check this result inside your command prompt too. So these are two methods that you can use to get the list of Python modules inside your local machine. So if you like this video, do drop a like, subscribe to the Hackathons YouTube channel,